Hi, this is Team EDS. I'm going to show the demo for Lab 10. As the video runs, here are the key things I did to get this working. First, I installed MySQL and ran the provided schema script to create the group chat database and user. For the AI part, I cloned and compiled the llama.cpp project from Git, then downloaded the Llama 3 model, specifically a 8 billion parameter model. Finally, for the backend, I set up a Python virtual environment, install the requirements.txt, all the libraries and packages that were needed, and then configured the environment file to connect both the database and the AI model. Now, for the execution, I have two servers running. One terminal shows the Llama AI server on port 8001, and the second terminal shows the API backend on port 8000. In the browser at localhost port 8000, I created a new account to show the full workflow. After logging in, I sent a normal message, "Hi," which appears instantly. Next, to test the AI, the requirement is that any message with a question mark should trigger the bot. So I asked, "What is 2 plus 2?" It takes a minute to think about the answer, then it generates the output. For the backend, it sees the question mark, sends the prompt to the Llama 3 model, the model that we've specified, and the response from the LLM is then displayed in the group chat. Additionally, the Llama model also has its own interface which can be accessed in the local host. So this confirms the entire pipeline for part one is working.
Hi, I'm Jay. I'm part of the ADS team, and today I'll be demonstrating the AI enhanced group chat application for Lab 10. So this app basically uses Meta Llama 3.1 8B model for intelligent responses. So let me show you the web app the application demo. So let's log in using this ID and password that were already created. So you can see the conversation I had already done, and the response is given by the model. So when we ask for basic calculation like 2 plus 2, then it gives 4, but it is necessary that we put a question mark at the end of the question that we ask in order to trigger the response. So let's basically ask a question 2 plus 3, and let's wait for the response. And basically, the intelligent filtering that we applied here is putting a question mark along with the question. This will trigger the response given by the AI bot. As you can see, we are getting a response of 5. Now let's log out from here. Now let's go to the Android application demo. Here we are. I'll be giving this demo using the Android Studio. So this is basically the Android app created, and from this, let's again log in using a different user ID and password that were already created. So this will also show the conversation that the other user is having and the conversation that we had previously. As you can see, this is the ID using which we have signed in right now, and the ES is the user. So basically, let me give you a brief explanation about the architecture. So we have three main components, but the MySQL database, which stores users and messages, the fast API backend on port 8000 handling requests and WebSocket connections, Llama server on port 8001 providing AI responses. The Android app connects to the backend via HTTP and WebSocket. So basically, when a user will ask a question, the backend detects the question mark, which we give while asking the question, sends the query to the local Llama model, and broadcasts the AI responses to all the connected clients in real time. So basically, this demonstrates a fully functional AI-enhanced group chat application with user authentication, real-time messaging via WebSockets, AI-powered responses using MetaLlama 3.1, and cross-platform support with web and Android. So all running locally using llama.cpp for efficient